Hey everyone, welcome back to APS Tech. Today we are unboxing one of the most exciting VR headsets of the year, the Meta Quest 3. From upgraded visuals to mixed reality, there is a lot to unpack here, literally. So let's dive right into it. So at the back side of the box, here are the box contents that I mentioned, and we have also got a free game with the VR headset named Batman. So you can take a look at the box contents. And now, talking about the box, the packaging is clean and minimal. Meta keeps it sleek. On the front, you have got a render of the headset and some key features listed on the side, including mixed reality, Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2, and 512 GB storage on this unit. So now let's finally open the box. As we lift the lid, we are greeted by the headset right on the top, snug in its molded compartment. Beneath that, we have got the redesigned Touch Plus controllers. So now let's take a look at the Meta Quest 3, and it feels pretty lightweight in my hand. So now let's take a look at the Touch Plus controllers. So now these are lighter, no tracking rings, and super comfortable in hand. Now let's remove the packaging and take a look at the controller. It feels super comfortable in my hand, and it comes with a black and white theme color, just as the same as the VR headset. Now let's take a look what's in this box. Probably the charging cable and the power adapter. So as I said, here is the charging cable and the power adapter, type C to type C power adapter, and the charging cable to itself. Now the headset itself, noticeably slimmer than the Quest 2. Up the front you have got those new full color pass-through cameras and a depth sensor in the middle, key for mixed reality experiences. The adjustable strap is more comfortable this time around, though many users might still opt for an upgraded strap later on. Here is the charging port Type C to Type C with the charging cable and the charging adapter. So here is the power on switch to turn it on. So I hope you like today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe my channel for more amazing videos.